Hi there, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. As we continue our C++ programming series, in this tutorial, I will show you guys how to write a one-dimensional array program using C++. This tutorial will show you how to declare and display the content of one-dimensional array in C++ in a much simpler way. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, click the like button, share, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We are already here in our dev C++ programming environment. So the first thing that I will do is to declare the file name of the program, array.cpp. .cpp means .c++ program. We are using double slash to indicate a comment in C++. Next, the author of this program, yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. And then we have here, we declare the date of this video recording, October 18, 2019. Today is Friday at 5:50 a.m. After which, I will declare the library file that we will be using in our program, #include.io stream. This library files is very essential in every C++ program, guys, because it allows us to use commands like console in, console out for input output. After that, using namespace std, and then we will declare the main function. The main function is the starting point of program execution. When we compile our program to check for syntax error, for example, the first thing that our compiler will do is to find this particular function in our program and execute. The other thing, when we run our program, the same thing happens. It searches for this file to execute. So sometimes it is called the starting point of our program execution. Every C++ program has at least a main function. After that, I will declare a variable int r. Let's say, for example, we have 5 elements. We can declare a one-dimensional array by having here a bracket, and then we put the number of elements, 5. But in C++ language, we start the value element 0. So for example, I will write down 10. We will put values 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, followed with a semicolon. Now in this illustration or example, we have 5 elements in our variable array integer. When you declare an array, whether it is one-dimensional or two-dimensional in C++, always remember it uses whole numbers. And then I initialize values 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. This list of numbers will be displayed on our screen later on in our program. After we are through with that, console out, new line. We declare 2 new line here. Skip sequence character in C++, \t horizontal tab, one-dimensional array demo in C++. This will be the title of our program. Copy again, and then here I will route \t the content of the array. Okay, new line again. For open for loop statement, int a 0 semicolon a less than 5 semicolon a plus plus begin. Now in this for loop statement, one of the uniqueness of C++ compared to C language is that we can declare a data type here, int, in a variable inside our for loop statement. So this part, we started the initial value of a is 0, a conditional statement less than or equal to 5, and then we have here increment by 1 representing a plus plus. Now we would like to display its content, so array, okay, we provide some space here and then bracket a, okay, semicolon, console out. Okay, now after we have through with our looping statement, we will put a message indicating the user that the program is already ended, \t end of program, semicolon. I think we are through already, in writing the code. The next step that we will do is to save our program. Press Ctrl S from the keyboard. We will create a new folder here, and then I will name this folder OneDimensional Array Demo. Press the return key or the enter key, double click the folder, and then we will write array.cpp. This is the file name and then the extension. After we have already done with that, we click the save button. The next step that we will do, guys, is to compile our program. Go to execute and compile. We want to check the syntax if there is an error or none. Okay, this is a good indication. We don't have the error, but the question is the program working? So when we run the program or press F10, okay, it displays the right result, but there is a spelling on the top, no? Typing error, one-dimensional. Okay, okay, let us compile and run again. Okay, so we have the result that we are expecting with, no? So the title of the program is one-dimensional array demo in C++, and the content of the array, and then it displays, no, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and end of the program. The same thing here, no, the values that we declare, no, in the initialized values in our array. So this is the right result that we are expecting in our program. I hope that you have learned something new in this episode of our video tutorial, how to declare, initialize variables, and display the list of values from one-dimensional array in C++. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Until to the next video tutorials, thank you very much guys for watching. Bye bye for now.